Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today we are doing a pop socket or foam grip with no epoxy and no resin. So we did some badge reels like this a couple videos ago, or actually maybe it was the last video. I've been so busy I haven't put any videos up, so I think it was the last video. So now we're also going to do it with a pop socket. And this is a really good alternative if you want to be able to make pop sockets, but you really don't want to use UV resin or epoxy. This gives you another alternative. Now, granted, just like with the badge reels, you can't do everything with it. You're a little bit limited on the types of things you can do, like, you know, putting pictures and stuff like that. However, there's really a lot that you can do with these, and it is really, really, really cute. So I use simulation glue, and I will put a link for it in the description. It's from Amazon. I also have some that I picked up from AliExpress. You can get it much cheaper on AliExpress. Not that it's expensive either way, but it is cheaper on AliExpress. It just takes quite a bit longer to get. I think mine took right about a month. Now I made a nursing pop socket or foam grip, and this is so cute and I love it. These little pieces here came from the craft stuff that my friend Christine from Canada sent me, so thank you again. I love it and super cute. And then I just used some little buttons and this little piece here. It's like a bingo chip from the Dollar Tree in, like, it's like the school section. They have these bags of different color, like little bingo chips, and they're sort of see-through. Super cute. Like, I put them in resin and stuff, and they are really cute inside things. So that's what I used here. And then my little stethoscope, I got a big pack of those from AliExpress. It was like 30 of them for $1.04. So that was good. And then my foam grips, I do pick these up at Glitter Chimp. I have a few I haven't used yet that I did pick up from AliExpress. We'll eventually see how those work out. But these from Glitter Chimp are always really, really good. I've had zero problems with them. They're 55 cents a piece. They come in a lot of different colors, and they have the 3M tape on them that sticks really, really well. So this turned out adorable. I really like it. This one's going to be for me. And if you want to see how I put this together, just keep watching and we will make this little guy. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye. All right, friends, so this is so easy. We're starting out with the simulation glue, and the simulation glue dries quite quickly. I've been leaving it overnight and it's good the next morning. So all the different little trinkets, I've got a little spatula to brush my glue on. I've got some glitter. So I cleaned my badge reel, my foam grip with alcohol, and I did give it a little sanding over top of it first. Now, I've done this before and didn't do a sanding over it. I just wanted to see if it made a difference, and it really didn't seem to. So I am just going to spread my simulation glue over my foam grip, just like I was frosting a cake. And then you can do all kinds of different, like, decor and patterns and whatever on here. They come with different cake frosting tubes. So then I'm going to just put my piece together. Now on this little bingo chip, I just put a little bit of the simulation glue to hold my RN beads in place, and then just put my other pieces where I want it. And I'm going to go in, add a little bit of extra glitter. And I did make sure that, like, around the edges of it, that it was nice and even and cleaned off well. And then after that, I'm just going to let it sit and dry, and it is all done. I don't have to do anything else to it. So again, this is so fun. It's easy. This is something that you can, do with your kids. You can let your teenagers do and not have to worry. It is a really good alternative to not using epoxy or resin. And these really come out adorable. So listen, I hope you like it. I hope it was helpful. And I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll see you later. Bye.